Hello, ladies and gentlemen. As you notice, I'm not here today, but these are the instructions that you are going to do for class today. Now, you are going to go into Canvas. You're going to click on Assignments. Once you get to Assignments, you are going to click on the Bubonic Plague tab. After you're done clicking on that, you're going to read the instructions. Your first thing that you're going to do is watch the TED Ed video on the bubonic plague. So you're going to go to this link, which will take you to the YouTube video, and you're going to watch this video. Okay? Once you're finished watching the video, then you're going to go to the next thing. Read the following article on the bubonic plague. Click on the link. The link will take you to an article. You're going to read the article. Now, if you notice, at the bottom there are questions. You do not have to do the questions, okay? Please don't do the questions. So, after you're finished reading the article, you're going to leave it open, go back to the Canvas page, and you're going to finish the Cornell notes for both. The sub will hand out the Cornell notes before you do your assignment. Once you are finished with these two things, if there is time left in class, you will be given a part of speech packet that you will work on. Now, you need to fill out these notes in completion, and I don't want you to rush through this, okay? So, once you're finished with your notes and you feel that you've done a good job, you will turn them into the sub and you will get that parts of speech packet. If you have any questions, you can ask her or him because he or she has been given explicit directions. I hope that you have a good day and I look forward to seeing you when I get back. All right, thanks.